Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a desktop shortcut on your Mac. This is super useful if you want quick access to your favorite apps or folders right from your desktop. Let's get started. First, open Finder. You can click the Finder icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, go to Applications on the left-hand side. Now find the app you want to create a shortcut for. Once you've found it, simply click and drag the app onto your desktop. And just like that, a shortcut is created. Now you can open that app directly from your desktop without going back into Finder. You can do the exact same thing with folders as well. Just locate the folder, drag it onto your desktop, and you're good to go. Quick tip. If you want to keep things organized, you can group your shortcuts or rename them however you like. And that's it. Quick, simple, and super convenient. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.